There it goes again. My stomach is going reminding me that I'm late for snack time. I searched the car to find my favorite snack, cupcakes, but came up empty. Instead, there were a bunch of ninjas. Oh, Gesundheit! That won't do. I grabbed my stepchild and jumped in the kayak to run to George's house. He always has some snowballs in stock. George's turtle was guarding the fruit bowl where George keeps the Twinkies. To distract Shamu, my stepchild awkwardly spit an airplane into the bathroom. The turtle chases it. We inhaled the ho-hos and snack time finally began.